What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna jump in here this morning and do a video here, and this is one of my old builds. It was a piece that I had gotten from somebody that had been built before, and it was a glue bomb that I redone, and only had about half of the parts, and it was pretty rough, but I just couldn't figure out what to do with it. But you can see inside it's a one-seater. I had an old funny car frame, and ended up putting it to what I thought was good use. So I really wanted to build this thing. It done alright for what I was working with. It was just one of those brain farts that I just had to see if I could pull something off. You can I just cut the center out of the floor pan and shortened up the rail chassis and slid it up in there and just worked things out. But it was a fun little build. That was back when things was a lot more fun for me on these things. And I know this video probably gonna be a little shaky. It's been a morning. I was up at 7 o'clock this morning and realized that my coffee pot took a dump on me, so yeah, I had to go to Wally World at 8 o'clock this morning. I thought it was in my best interest and everybody else's that I got me another coffee pot. But yeah, hopefully the rest of the day will be better. But this season change ain't helping me none either. It started the beginning of the week, and my bones and whole system's been going crazy again. But anyway, I just want to jump in here and figured I'd show y'all this little cute little thing, I guess. But yeah, hang on just a minute. I'll jump over here and show you an update on this truck that I'm working on. Alright, you can see I've got my suspension and everything done. It's ready. I'm working on an exhaust. This will be the first thing in a long time I've built without scratch building the entire thing out of solder, but I just split that exhaust apart. It was all made together, and I had turned it around backwards, and still got some work to do, but it's gonna work out. It looks pretty decent the way this thing had be done. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with where it's at at the moment. Said that that cross member for the transmission to mount, I think that piece was a suspension piece for a Lexus kit, or it might have been the Infiniti. I don't remember which, but it seemed to be going to work out good for a transmission mount. Plus, the way it's designed, it'll kind of serve as a way to stiffen up the chassis and stuff, so when you get to playing with that big Coyote motor, it don't twist the frame up. And I've got my wheel tubs built. That's probably the best scratch built wheel tubs I've done. They really turned out alright. I like them. Looks like they're gonna work out just fine, and you can see those big 22s are going to sit right up in there, right, just like I want it to sit. They may be just a little adjustment in the ride height in the back, and in the end we'll see after I get my exhaust done. But it a few things are coming together. Just pedaling with it here and there, and try to do what I can do and figure things out. And this is a little out of my wheelhouse because of these 22-inch wheels and tires, but they're going to work out pretty good on this truck, considering how big the wheel wells are. I wish I had another set of these, but have like 19s for the front, be a little smaller, and they would look really good. These guys, if y'all hadn't already checked out these guys, you need to go and check them out and look at some of the wheels that they have, because they really do have some nice stuff. But anyway, I don't know what else to say, and it's probably going to take forever to load this video, so I'm going to cut her down here and let this thing go. And as I get more, I'll come back and update you. Oh, and one more thing. See, I had to I muddied up my firewall and smoothed it up, and had to cut that centerpiece out and where the engine would sit back just a little further for everything to work out right. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I really appreciate y'all putting up with me, and I appreciate all your support. And y'all try to have a good weekend.